You know, plants and flowers truly do brighten up our lives, but unfortunately, we often don't have the time or the proverbial green thumb to enjoy them for all their beauty. Well, Lechuza planters offer the perfect solution with a unique design that's both functional and fashionable. Hello everyone, I'm Mark Oliver, and I'd like you to join me as we discover the secret of Lechuza planters and their innovative growing system. At the heart of it is the original Lechuza sub-irrigation system. Now what this means for you is that you'll spend a lot less time watering and more time enjoying your favorite plants. Whether you travel frequently or simply have trouble finding time to care for your plants, Lechuza is ready to be your very own personal plant sitter. Here's how it works. With the water reservoir at the bottom of the planter, the Lechuza sub-irrigation set provides your plants with the exact amount of water and nutrients they need for optimum growth for up to 3 months. Caring for plants has never been so easy. The Lechuza sub-irrigation set comes standard in all Lechuza planters, and assembly is very simple. For outdoor use with high planters, you'll want to remove all drain plugs in both the planter and the liner. Excess rainwater will then run off through the planter, delivering valuable nutrients to the plant. Within areas that receive a substantial amount of rainfall annually, you may never have to add water to your Lechuza outdoor planter. Simply check the water level indicator periodically and water on an as-needed basis. For indoor use, the drain plugs remain firmly in place. Now place the separator with the water supply shaft into the liner. Insert the water level indicator into the supply shaft. Then place the cap on the water supply shaft. And that's it. After assembling the sub-irrigation set, spread the provided Lechuza pond evenly over the separator for proper drainage. You see, unlike expensive hydroponics, you can use any of your favorite plants which were raised in soil, even those you already have at your home. Lechuza is simply a better solution for you and your plants. And you'll want to place good quality potting soil over the Lechuza pond layer, and be sure to leave enough room for the roots. You don't want to neglect the roots. Then, pot the plant into the liner, fill the liner with soil, and press firmly. Now for models that require it, place the 4 provided distance tubes in the preformed corners inside the planter. Now you can place the liner in the planter. With its unique interchangeable liner system, you can change out your plants as often as you like, easily and effortlessly. Over the next 3 months, water your plant as you would normally do by pouring water on top of the soil. This is the time the roots need to grow and reach the water source. After this growing phase, fill the reservoir with the water supply shaft until the water level indicator shows max. From now on, your plant is supplied with water for up to 3 months without the need for further watering. The Lechuza self-watering system is based on years of experience by professional interior landscapers and is designed for all plant types and species. Functional, fashionable, ingenious. That's how I feel about these Lechuza planters, and I guarantee you will too. You will find that Lechuza really is the secret to having worry-free, beautiful plants.
Lechuza, inspired by nature.
Lechuza, inspired by nature. Introducing Lechuza, the most intelligent self-watering planter system ever. It's easy, fill with water, and depending upon the plant and the surrounding environment, it will last for up to 3 months. With the unique liners inside, the Lechuza system offers the most easy and flexible way to work with all your favorite plants, and it works with regular soil. Lechuza offers many different award-winning designs, colors, and sizes that will suit any decor for your home and business. For indoor and outdoor use, get more green in your home. Lechuza, inspired by nature. Now available in the Lechuza factory outlet in Palm Beach Gardens, starting at only $14.95. You could save up to 50%. Come see us inside the Playmobil Fun Park, 8031 North Military Trail, Palm Beach Gardens, between Blue Heron and North Lake Boulevard, west of I-95. Bring your kids. They can play while you shop. Our new factory outlet store is now open. Come and see. For more information, visit LechuzaOutlet.com or call 877-LECHUZA. Lechuza, inspired by nature.